Hello guys, this is Aaron from Ether. Welcome to Guangzhou Xinyixiang Auto Parts Limited Corporations. Our company has more than 10 years experience in this industry, which is adhering to the concept of quality first and the product first. Today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started. The company has developed to cover an area of more than 20,000 square meters, more than 113 employees, including more than 20 professional and technical personnel, with perfect production equipment and testing equipment. Look at this package of our radiator. We have produced many radiators to the customers' requirements that follow the OEM and ODM which the customers offer to us. The company was the first to support China's second automobile Dongfeng Motor Company, professional matching radiator intercooler. Since 2009, focus on foreign markets and often participate in international exhibitions for the world radiator industry. We have been adhering to professional manufacturing, responsible to customers, providing the best quality products as the company's first core responsibility. Here is our second floor warehouse. Our company mainly produces all kinds of heavy truck, light truck, construction machinery and other radiators, intercoolers, hydraulic oil radiators. We have a big warehouse with huge inventory, and in the later development, know and make a lot of customers and friends. We join hands to make efforts for the development of the industry and the protection of products. Thank you for watching. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, contact us today and experience the difference of working with a company that's committed to excellence.